Hey guys, for this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to fix Twitter posts not loading. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to view Twitter again. So, let's go to the App Store and then search for Twitter in the search bar. Once you're here, tap on Twitter, and if it says open, then you're good to go. And if it says update, then you have to tap on it so you can update it, because that means it's outdated. If that doesn't work, or if it's already updated, you're gonna want to go to Safari or any other browser that you have, and then type "Is Twitter down?" and go to down detector. And if you see any spikes, that means it's probably down, because a lot of other people are asking if it is down. But as I can see from here, it's not really that big of a deal, because only 5 people have reported that it's down. So it seems that it's fine. And if we actually go to Twitter to check, it's working fine. So it's all good. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.